Just let me go.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Ulefone Armor 17 Pro. This is my newest, the newest rugged smartphone. And look at this one looks so very gorgeous. I really like this carbon fiber style design, and as usual this one is built with metal and premium quality polycarbonate, so this one is pretty rugged. Well, we will talk about the specification, we will go through the review process, but before everything, there is a very big discount going on. This Ulefone Armor 17 Pro costs only $224 at this moment. I mean, if you only wanna get the smartphone. But if you wanna get some other accessories in a bundle package, then you can get even better value for money. Like me, I have bought this Ulefone Armor 17 Pro along with two other accessories. This bundle package costs $265. This one comes with a mini magnetic Bluetooth speaker and a multi-purpose armor case. Yeah, this is really a very good deal. But anyway, if you only want the Ulefone Armor 17 Pro, $224 also feels like a steal. It's as cheap as it can be. I mean, it feels like dream coming true. Well, before we start the review video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Also, if you don't know yet, then there is an international smartphone giveaway going on. I'm gonna give away a smartphone to one of my subscribers. If you're interested in this giveaway, then check the community tab of this channel. Well, this giveaway is for the subscribers of this channel. If you're subscribed, then what you have to do is to make a detailed comment in the comment section below. Don't spam, cause spammers will get disqualified. Well, Ulefone Armor 17 Pro comes with IP68, IP69K and military standard 810G rating. So yeah, it's a pro rugged smartphone. After opening the top lid, there is an envelope type of box. It's really surprising that Ulefone has provided a tempered glass screen protector inside the box. It's a nice touch. Let's put the phone aside. Underneath there is a lanyard loop, a very good quality USB-C to C charging cable. If you know me, then you already know that I definitely like the color yellow. It looks vibrant. Ulefone have also provided a nice SIM ejector tool, and finally, there is a 66 watt fast charger included inside the box. Well, here comes everything that I have got inside the box. Let's put everything aside and it's time to unwrap our rugged beast, Ulefone Armor 17 Pro. Oh no, don't worry, this is a rugged smartphone and I never worry about any damage when a Ulefone accidentally gets dropped, cause I know there won't be any dent or damage. Customizable button and SIM tray is located on the left, volume rockers and power button is located on the right side. Metal frame with gorgeous design and classy rear panel gives this Ulefone Armor 17 Pro a muscular yet classy vibe. There is a 108 megapixel camera located in the rear panel. We will sure talk about that later in this video. On top, there is nothing but a secondary noise cancellation microphone. At the bottom, there is a 3.5mm port, primary microphone, a USB-C port, and a speaker grill. Yes, Armor 17 Pro has stereo speaker setup. Ulefone have used the earpiece as the second speaker to deliver stereo sound. Here comes the specifications of this Ulefone Armor 17 Pro. I'm really happy to see Ulefone have used a powerful SoC, MediaTek G99. Yeah, it's powerful in terms of a rugged smartphone. As mentioned earlier, I have bought a bundle package because I really like this multi-purpose protective case. This case not only adds protection but also provides convenience. Inside the box of this protective case, there is a belt clip which supports 180-degree rotation and a heavy-duty carabiner. We can use the clip to put the phone on our belt and the carabiner to hang it on a backpack or anywhere we want. Ulefone Armor 17 Pro comes with a 6.58-inch FHD Plus IPS LCD panel. Even if it's a LCD panel, it has very good brightness. Color reproduction is top of the line. Moreover, black is truly dark and white is very bright. Dark mode, reading mode or night light, color scheme, every necessary option is available, and most importantly, this display panel supports 120Hz refresh rate. It's dope. Really, I don't see any other rugged smartphones available on the market with such a great display panel and with this many features. Ulefone is raising the standard for others. Not only the display panel, the stereo speaker setup of Ulefone is shockingly well. It's truly beyond my expectations. Let's listen to some music and you decide whether it's good or bad. Okay, if you need louder sound, then Ulefone have also got you covered. There is a magnetic Bluetooth speaker available. I have bought this in a bundle package, but you may be able to buy it separately. This speaker is actually usable with any smartphones cause this is a Bluetooth speaker, and as this is compatible with both the iPhone MagSafe and Ulefone U-Magnet, we can use it with any of these smartphones without any issue. Let's check the sound quality of this external loudspeaker.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.
I think I have already mentioned about this earlier. Ulefone Armor 17 Pro comes with a very good main sensor. It is a Samsung ISOCELL HM208 megapixel sensor. Thanks to Ulefone that they have used good stock camera algorithm, I'm totally impressed by the camera performance. It's way better than almost all the smartphones within this $200 price segment.
Just let me go. Please.
As this Ulefone Armor 17 Pro comes with a very capable processor MediaTek G99, I wanted to check synthetic benchmark results. And yes, it has actually performed well. In Antutu, Ulefone Armor 17 Pro has scored 282,000, and in Geekbench 5, Armor 17 Pro has managed to get 361 single-core score and 1339 multi-core score. I am satisfied with the scores, but what about gaming performance? Cause that matters a lot. As this is a rugged smartphone and comes with a lot of certification, IP rating, let's do the water test before we play games. I'm gonna put this Ulefone Armor 17 Pro for 15 minutes inside water. Let's see what happens. As usual, no damage was done even after 15 minutes. Now we are gonna play games on this Ulefone. Let's check whether there is any issue or not. Well, gaming after pulling a smartphone straight out of the water? I am excited. Ulefone Armor 17 Pro has 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and that is actually expandable through MEMfusion, memory fusion, which is amazing considering its price and segment. As this Armor 17 Pro comes with a very good display panel, gaming on this phone is fun. It's truly enjoyable. I have been playing games on this phone on and off for almost a week, and now after a week, I think I have never felt any visible lag or any issue. Very fluid in-game experience along with buttery smooth touch sampling. On top of these, vibrant and accurate color reproduction makes gaming more amusing. I think I should use the word delightful. Okay, what about the operating system, the OS? Armor 17 Pro comes with Android 12 out of the box, and there is no skin on top of Android 12. So it's stock Android, and you may not imagine how good and fluid it is. It really is super smooth and super snappy. As usual, there is a face unlock option, but as this is a 2D face unlock, I rather prefer the side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Yeah, this old school fingerprint sensor is more secure and fast enough. It's easy to register a fingerprint and very easy to unlock. Ulefone Armor 17 Pro supports 15-watt wireless charging and 5-watt reverse charging. As this one also supports MagSafe accessories, look at this. This means I can use any MagSafe wireless charger with this Ulefone Armor 17 Pro. Moreover, as this Armor 17 Pro comes with a 66-watt fast charger, this phone gets fully charged within 40 minutes. For a 5380 mAh battery, this is super fast. Once the phone is totally charged, I have managed to extract more than 15 hours of SOT, which is almost unbelievable. Finally, let's talk about the customizable button on the left side. There are a few options to select from: single press, double press and long press. Let me select some options and applications. Let's see how it performs. Wow, it's a very responsive and easy to use. This is really a very convenient thing to have on a smartphone. Okay, after watching through this video, what do you think? I think Ulefone Armor 17 Pro offers a very good value for money. At this price point, this one feels like a steal. Ulefone Armor 17 Pro is actually a premium rugged smartphone, a top-notch smartphone with a lot of interesting features and very good performance. Especially the camera performance has made me so very happy. I have felt like I was using a budget camera smartphone. Even a mid-range camera smartphone cannot beat this Ulefone Armor 17 Pro. Yeah, that really makes a very big difference. Also, don't forget about the display panel. 120Hz refresh rate, very good, almost perfect color reproduction, and even if it's LCD panel, brightness is actually not an issue. Well, that's all about this Ulefone Armor 17 Pro. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and if you have loved this video, then please subscribe to this channel, support honest content.